What's up, guys? What do you pay the most attention to when choosing a new smartphone? Probably the display, performance, and cameras. When you have already decided what smartphone to buy, you still have to choose the storage capacity. You know the price of the smartphone with 128 gigs of storage will be much lower from the smartphone with 512 gigs storage. For example, you will need to pay an extra $300 on the iPhone 16 if you want more space on it. I have found a better solution. For just $230, you can buy a magnetic portable SSD with 2 TB of storage. If you don't need that much, a 512 gigs SSD is only $99, and a 1 TB SSD will cost you $159. But let's see how this portable SSD works, and be sure to check its data transfer speed. The box says up to 2000 megabits per second read and 1800 megabits per second write speed. We will check it out. By the way, I forgot to tell you the name of this portable SSD. It is DIGIERA, and the model number is LPS2000M. As you can see, I have 2 TB of memory storage capacity, but it is also available with 512 gigs and 1 TB on Amazon. On the side of the box, we also see a 4 TB memory capacity, but it is not available on Amazon yet. Inside the box, we see a magnetic adapter and a user manual. Then there is a portable SSD and USB Type-C cable. By the way, this cable is so short, which proves that the portable SSD is designed for smartphones. You just need to attach the portable SSD to the back of your phone and connect it to USB-C port. Here I have a problem, because I have an old iPhone 12 and it has a Lightning port. So the DIGIERA portable SSD is designed for iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 series, but we will test it with an Android phone and PC in this video. You know, this portable SSD is very compact. Its dimensions are only 58 by 58 by 12 mm. The weight is 44 grams. As you can see, the top panel is made of glossy white plastic, while frame is silver, and it is metal. You can also choose this portable SSD in black, gray, and pink. The back panel has a magnetic suction, as well as some technical information, such as model, capacity, and serial number. By the way, the magnetic suction cup is really powerful, and it even holds the weight of the smartphone. I have a protective case with MagSafe support, so the portable SSD is very well attached to it. If your case doesn't have MagSafe support, you should install the magnetic adapter inside it, and then you can use the portable SSD with your case. There is only a USB Type-C port on the side. By the way, I forgot to mention the DIGIERA logo on the top panel that's light up when you connect it to your phone or other device. That's it. I have nothing more to say about its design. Let's move on to testing it. The DIGIERA portable SSD is equipped with a USB Type-C 20 gigabits per second interface, and it supports USB 3.2 Gen 2 protocol. However, it is also compatible with devices that support USB Type-C 3.1, 3.0, and lower versions. If you plan to use the SSD with your iPhone, read the user manual on how to connect it. You can instantly capture videos and photos to the portable SSD via the iPhone camera. I want to try this external SSD with an Android phone. Last week we tested a rugged smartphone on our channel Tech Brothers. Although it has 512 gigs of internal storage, and that will be enough for many people. I want to connect an external SSD to it. As soon as I plugged in the USB cable, I saw a notification about the issue with the USB drive. I am told to format SD card for portable storage. Let's do this. After that, I can see the external SSD in the file manager. We can also go to the storage in the settings and see the USB drive here. It really has a capacity of 2 TB, but 10 GB is already used. I recorded a video of about 500 MB and successfully transferred it to the portable SSD. You can do the same with all photos and videos on your smartphone. The DIGIERA Portable SSD can also be used with a laptop or a computer. It doesn't even need to be formatted this time. There is already a video here that I uploaded from my phone. We check the storage capacity again, and it is 2 TB, but 1.86 TB available. If I delete the video I uploaded from my smartphone, there is about 1.9 TB available. We can also open the Crystal Disk Info program and check the health status of SSD. It is good and 100% because I almost didn't use it, just uploaded one video. There is also a firmware, serial number, interface and other information about SSD. Okay, now let's test memory speeds using the Crystal Disk Mark program. Let me remind you that the manufacturer claims 2000 megabits per second read and 1800 megabits per second write speed. I have 1016 megabits per second read and 952 megabits per second write speed on the portable SSD. Yes, it is half as much as stated, but it is still pretty fast. For example, I transferred videos of almost 9 GB from my PC to the external SSD in less than 10 seconds. The average speed was about 680 megabits per second. So iPhones and many Android phones doesn't have micro SD card support, and the solution is a portable SSD like this one. The DIGIERA LPS2000M has a USB Type-C 3.2 interface, so you can use it with iPhone 15 and 16 as well as Android devices, PCs, laptops, game consoles, etc. While the real read and write speed is lower than claimed, I still think it is pretty fast. By the way, the transfer speed depends on the USB port on your device. I found this useful table so you can see the real transfer speed for your device. So it is quite affordable and a very convenient way to expand the storage of your smartphone or other device by 512 gigs, 1 TB or 2 TB. Thank you for watching. See you soon.